Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up parental control on an Android phone. So if your kids is also using your smartphone or maybe an Android phone, you can have control or supervise their phone by enable the parental control. So here I'm going to show you how to do it. First, you can go to the settings on your phone and then scroll down until you find the Google options. This one. Tap on this Google and scroll down until you find this kids and family option. So tap on that, and this is the parental control. So click on this. So by setting up the parental controls, you can supervise the phone remotely with the Family Link app for parents. You can also keep an eye on screen time and set limits as needed for your kids. And you can also add restrictions to Google services like app approvals or content filters on Google Play. So your kid will have filter on what they can download on the Play Store. So let's click on Get Started. So next, you will be asked who will be using this device. So you're going to click on Parent. And after that, you need to install the Family Link app to remotely supervise your child's Android device. So let's click on Get Family Link. Here you can choose Google Play Store and download the Family Link first. Let's click on Install. So the app is already installed. So by using this app, you can see how your children spend their time on their devices, and you can also help manage their activity remotely. You can continue with your emails, and in here you can just add a device to control their activity. You can just click on Add Device, and here you can open your child's phone. You can open their settings and then go to Google, go to the same steps like before, but choose to set it up for children or teen. So after that, you can click on Done, and that's it. Your phones will be linked with your child phone. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.